Hello there, fellow gardeners. Have you ever wanted fresh, delicious vegetables right from your backyard? It's easier than you think. Today, we're going to build a raised bed garden. It's simple, fun, and anyone can do it, even with children. Please like and share. Let's get started. First, let's find the perfect sunny spot for our garden. Vegetables love sunshine. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Make sure the ground is relatively level. We want our garden bed to be nice and sturdy. Now, let's gather our materials. Building a garden bed is a rewarding project that starts with the right supplies. We'll need some untreated wooden boards, which are perfect for creating a natural and safe environment for your plants. Screws, cardboard, soil, and compost. These materials will form the foundation and structure of your garden bed. Don't worry, you can find everything you need at your local garden center. They often have a wide selection of materials and tools. We'll build a simple square or rectangle with the boards, using screws to hold them together. Make sure the frame is sturdy and level. This is our garden bed frame. It should be strong enough to hold the soil and plants. Before filling it, lay down a layer of cardboard inside. This step is crucial for preventing weeds from growing up through the soil. This will stop weeds from growing up. The cardboard will decompose over time, enriching the soil and keeping your garden bed healthy. Now for the exciting part. We're about to dive into the heart of gardening. It's time to fill our garden bed with soil. This is the foundation of our garden, and it's crucial to get it right. This is where the magic happens. The soil is not just dirt. It's a living ecosystem that supports plant life. Use a mixture of good quality garden soil and compost. Compost enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients and improving soil structure. Compost is like superfood for our plants. It helps retain moisture and promotes healthy root development. Mix it well into the soil. This ensures that the nutrients are evenly distributed, giving your plants the best start. You can also add some natural fertilizers, like manure, for an extra boost. Manure adds organic matter and beneficial microorganisms to the soil. Finally, we get to plant. This is the moment every gardener looks forward to. The excitement of placing those tiny seeds into the soil, knowing that with a bit of care and patience, they will grow into beautiful, thriving plants. Let's start with easy-to-grow seeds like lettuce, radishes, carrots, or herbs. These are perfect for beginners because they germinate quickly and are quite forgiving. Plus, they provide a quick reward, which is always encouraging when you're just starting out. Make sure to read the instructions on the seed packets for planting depth and spacing. Each type of seed has its own specific needs, and following these guidelines will give your seeds the best chance to thrive. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Water your seeds gently and keep the soil moist. Consistent moisture is key to successful germination. However, be careful not to overwater, as this can cause the seeds to rot. A gentle, steady hand is what you need here. Soon, you'll see tiny green sprouts emerging from the soil. This is one of the most rewarding parts of gardening, seeing the first signs of life. It's a testament to your efforts and a promise of the growth to come. Gardening is a wonderful adventure. It's a journey filled with learning, growth, and a deep connection to the natural world. Each day brings new discoveries and a sense of accomplishment. It's about getting your hands dirty, connecting with nature, and enjoying the taste of fresh, homegrown food. Happy gardening! The joy of harvesting your own vegetables and sharing them with loved ones is truly unmatched. To extend your gardening season, try using a cloche or cold frame. These tools can help protect your plants from unexpected frosts and allow you to start planting earlier in the season or continue growing later into the fall. These act like mini greenhouses, protecting your plants from the cold and allowing you to grow delicious vegetables for even longer. With a bit of planning and the right tools, you can enjoy fresh produce almost year-round. Please like and share for more.